Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just purchased a Segway Ninebot kick scooter, one of the first things you'll need to do is complete the activation process. Activation unlocks important features and ensures that the Segway Ninebot kick scooter is ready for normal riding. Without activation, the scooter may operate with limitations or continue displaying reminders. Fortunately, the setup process is quick and doesn't require any technical experience. With the help of the companion app, you can have your Segway Ninebot kick scooter activated and ready to ride in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you activate your Segway Ninebot kick scooter successfully. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Segway Ninebot kick scooter and make sure it has enough battery power. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone before connecting to the Segway Ninebot kick scooter. Step 3. Open the companion app and add the Segway Ninebot kick scooter to your account. Step 4. Follow the instructions displayed for the Segway Ninebot kick scooter activation process. Step 5. Wait while the Segway Ninebot kick scooter completes the setup and synchronization. Step 6. Confirm that the Segway Ninebot kick scooter has been activated and is ready for normal operation.